It's better now. Can you hear me? Can you see? If it is better now, I will start one more time from the third question. If you can write that it's okay, let me start. Okay, I'm starting. Is given in this way: a over b plus c plus b plus a plus c over a plus b is equal to 1. Then a squared over b plus c plus b squared over c plus a plus c squared over a plus b is equal to 0. We need to prove this one. I'm changing, instead of a plus b, I'm writing x, and c plus a, I'm writing z. And let's say that a plus b equations will find that x plus y plus z is equal to 2s. Now, I'm taking the first equation here. Instead of this one, from this here, I will see s minus y. And in the same way, I will find that b is equal to s minus z, and c is equal to s minus x. In the first equation, instead of a, I will write c minus a, so it will become here c minus y, s minus y over y plus b is equal to s minus z over z, s minus x over x is equal to 1. So this one will be s over z minus z over z plus s over x minus x over x is equal to 1. So this one will become s minus 1 plus s over z 1 is equal to 1. So s over y plus s over, I will take minus 3 to the other side, and we'll find that s over y plus s over z plus s over x. Now, let me take another picture. Do you have any problem till now? I'm continuing. So we have here now in the question over b plus c. So if I will write here, sorry. It is okay now. Sorry for the... Can you see? Can you hear? I think that there is a problem in the internet. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, so let me... I'm from the third question. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Thank you. Now, the third question. The equation is in this way: c plus b over c plus a plus c over a plus b is equal to 1. Then a square over b plus b square over c plus a plus c square over a plus b is equal to 0. We need to prove this one. So instead of a plus b, I will say x, b plus c, y, and c plus a, z. And a plus b plus c, let's say this equal to s. From here, I will find that a is equal to c minus y, b is equal to s minus y, b is equal to c is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to 2s. Now in the first equation here, instead of a, b, c, if I will write the terms that I found here, I will get s minus y over y plus s minus z over z minus x over x is equal to y minus z over z plus s over x minus x over x is equal to 1. Now from here I will find s over y plus s over z plus s over x is equal to 4. It's stopped again. Can you hear me? Can you see me? You cannot see me, sorry. Can you see the paper? I think that now I will continue with the question. So in the question, minus y square over y plus s minus z square over z plus s minus x square over x. We need to prove this one that is equal to 0. Now if I will open the binom squares, I will get s squared minus 2sy plus y squared over y plus s squared minus 2sz plus z squared over z plus x squared over x. Now if we'll write separately again, I will get s squared over y minus 2s plus s squared over z minus 2s plus z plus s squared over x minus 2s plus x. Now, as you see, we have here s squared over y plus s squared over z plus s squared over x minus 2s minus 2s minus 4s and here minus 2s. So it will be minus 6s plus x plus y plus z. So we said that x plus y plus z it is 2s. So I will have here s squared over y plus s squared over z plus s squared over x minus 6x plus 2s. It will be minus 4s. Here, if I will take s, I will get s times s over y plus s over z plus s over x minus 4s over y plus s over z plus s over x is equal to 4. So I have here 4s minus 4s, which is 0. So we proved that a squared over c plus c squared over a plus b is equal to. This is the first part. all the question. If you have, and ask me, or can you hear me? Can you see? In this way it's better, I think, but I cannot arrange how to put in this way. I think, yeah. It's okay, the third question. Do you have any question? For the rotation, I don't know, I cannot. It's better now like this, but I cannot write. But I cannot write in this way. Now let me start with the fourth question. Is given as ABC is not equal to 0 and A square minus B square is equal to BC. B square minus C square is equal to CA is given. It says that show that A square minus C square is equal to A times B. I will take the first given equation. A square minus B square is equal to BC. Take B square to the other side. I will get A square plus B plus C. If I will divide by A, I will get A is equal to B times B plus C over A. I will divide now by B, so I will get A over B is equal to B plus C over A. And let's say that this is the first equation. Let's name it as 1. Now I will take B square minus C square is equal to C square. We know this identity, and I can minus C times B plus C. I will continue in this way. Sorry for the interruption, but I couldn't find any solution for the rotation of camera. I'll continue in this way. Minus c squared is equal to ca. So I can write b squared minus c squared as b minus c times b plus c is equal to ca. I will divide by a. I will get b minus c times b plus c over a is equal to c. And I will divide now by b minus c, and it will become b plus c over a is equal to, name this one as 2. So from 1, 2, we'll get that a over b is equal to c over b minus c. With the cross product, I will find that cb is equal to ab plus, not plus, sorry, minus ac. I will take minus ac to this side, and it will be cb plus ac is equal to ab. Let's now I will add, I found that AB is equal to CB plus AC. Now I will add A square minus B square BC and B square minus C square is equal to CA. These two equations were given. Now if I will add them, I will get that A square minus C square is equal to BC plus CA. And we found from here that BC plus A square minus square is equal to AB, and we show that A square minus AB. Now the question is, do you have any question? So I'm continuing with the fifth one, if it is okay. Fifth question is that n is a natural number, and prove that 1 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 5 plus n to the power of 5, and then plus 1 to the power of 7 plus 2 to the power of 7 plus till n to the power of 7 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 2 plus till n to the power of 4. We need to prove this equation. Now, firstly, I will take right hand side. 1 plus 2 plus till to the power of 4. So this part, 1 plus 2 till n, we know that n is a natural number. So the sum of natural numbers, we know that it is n times it will be. So from here, I will get 2 times n to the power of 4 times n plus 1 to the power of 16. So this one will be, if we simplify by 2, it will be 8. So we have that right hand side is equal to 2 times 1 plus 2 plus till n to the power of 4 is equal to n to the power of 4 times n plus 4 over 8. Now I need to show that left hand side is equal to this one. I will use mathematical induction. Mathematical. What mathematical induction? Firstly, I will show that for n is equal to 1, it is true. For n is equal to 1, it is true. How it will be? 1 to the power of 5 plus 1 to the power of 7 is equal to 1 to the power of 4 times 1 plus 1 to the power of 4 over 8. So as you see, this one will be 2 is equal to times 2 to the power of 4, 16 over 8. So as you see, we will find that 2 is equal to 2. So it is true for n is equal to 1. So the second point of mathematical induction is that we assume that it is correct for n minus 1. We assume that it is correct for n minus 1. So I will write now till n minus 1. 1 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 5 plus till n minus 1 to the power of 5 plus 1 to the power of 7 plus 2 to the power of 7 till n minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 to the power of 4 over 8. So we are finding that this one is equal to n to the power 4 over 8. This is the second case of mathematical induction. N to the power of 4 times n plus 1 to the power of 4 over 8. I will write now 1 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 5 plus to the power of 5, then plus 1 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 7, n minus 1. Now if I will take n minus n to the power of 5 and n to the power of 7 out, and this part will be 1 to 5 plus 2 to 5, 1, 7 plus 2, 7 plus till n minus 1 to 7. Now I will write n to 5 plus n to minus 1 to the power of 4 times n to the power of 4 over 8. Now, if I will equalize it, then it's better like this, but I cannot write. I will try to write in this. It's better like this now. Okay, I'm continuing. Now it will come if n minus 1 to the power of 4 times n to the power of 4 plus 8 n to the power over 8 is equal to. Now, let me take another paper. Now how I will write. What we had, let me write one more time here. N minus 1 to the power of 4 times n to the power of 4 plus 8 n to the power of 5 plus 8 n to the power of 7 over 8. We had this one in front of the parentheses. And here I will have n minus 1 to the power of 4 plus 8 n plus 8 n cube over 8. If I will open If I will open n minus 1 to the power of 4 minus 4n cube plus 16n square minus plus 1 minus 8n plus 8n cube I have over 8. Now as you see here I have minus 4n cube plus 8n cube, and I have this is plus 8n, 4n plus 8n. It will become n to the power of 4 times n to the power of 4 plus 4n plus 16n square plus 4 over 8. Now as you see this part, the inner part of the parenthesis, it's n plus 1 to the power of 4. So I will write now n to the power of 4 times n plus 1 to the power of 4 over 8. The thing that we wanted to show. Here we're finishing the question. So one more time, let me show you the question. If you can see. And here we are continuing with the question. 1 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 5 plus till n to 7 till n to the power of 7 is equal to n to the power of 4 times n plus 1 to the power of 4 over 8. If you have any question, you can ask me now. Sixth question. Numbers, and it's given that 2b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared. We need to prove that 1 over a. Now let's start from the given equation. Square is equal to a squared plus c squared. Here I'm adding to both sides 2bc plus 2a plus 2ac, and it will become 2b squared plus 2bc plus 2ab plus 2 is equal to a squared plus c squared plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now if we put them like this, I have some common b times b plus here 2a times b plus c is equal to, here I have a perfect square a squared plus c squared and 2ac, so it will be a plus c squared plus here, what is the common part, common term? 2b times a plus c. So as you see here, I have one more common term, 2b, 2 times. I will take it, a plus b is equal to, here I have a plus c in common, so it will be a plus c plus 2b. Now here, if I will divide this equation by b plus c times a plus b, it will become 2 is equal to a plus c times a plus b plus c times a plus b. I will divide one more time by a plus c, so it will become 2 over a plus c is equal to a plus c plus 2b times a plus b. The right hand side of the equation, if I will write this way, a plus b plus c plus b, it is okay, I think. Then b plus c times a plus b. So as you see, this one, if I will write them separately, I will have 2 over a plus c plus b. So as you simplify, a plus b, c plus b. What is the problem here? A, b, c, b. Now it becomes 2 over a plus c is equal to 1 over b plus c plus a plus b. The thing that we have to show, to prove, is this one. Now, if there is no any question, now I will continue with the 7th one. Yes, the question is in this way: 1 plus n squared plus n to the power of 7 over 1, any natural number. We need to prove this one. We need to prove the number. I will start from the numerator. It is 1 plus 7. I will add and subtract some terms here. At the same time, I will add and subtract. So it will be 1 plus n minus n cube plus n square, same terms, which means they are 0. So here, if I will group them 3 by 3, there is a common term. 1 plus n square. What is the common term here? N. I will take n in front of the parentheses. It will become 1 plus n plus n square. And here the common term is n square. I will take in front of the parentheses. It will be 1 plus n square. So here it is minus n to the power of 4. So it will be 1 plus n square. And in the last one, 1 plus n square. You see, in all of them, we have the same term, 1 plus n square. So if I will take it in front of the parentheses, 1 plus n square, so it will be 1 minus n plus n square minus n to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 5. The numerator, the factorization, wait, the same thing I will do to the denominator. Denominator is 1 and subtract some terms to find the common term. 1 plus n minus n square minus n cube minus n to the power of 4 plus n cube plus n to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 5 minus n to the power of 5 minus n to the power of 6 minus n to the power of 7 plus I will plus n to the power of 6 plus n to the power of 7 plus n to the power of 8. So you can see again here which terms minus n cube plus n cube minus n to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 5 minus n to the power of 5 power of 6 power of 7. If you will cancel them again, you will get 1 plus n to the power of 8. So again I will group here 3 by 3 and then I will get 1 plus n squared. The common term here it is minus n squared, so it will become 1 plus n squared plus n cubed times 1 plus n squared minus n to the power of 5 times 1 plus n to the power of 6 times 1 plus n squared times square plus n cube minus n to the power of 5 plus n to the power of 6. Now if I will write the denominator and the numerator that we have found now, it will become 1 plus n to the power of 7 over 1 plus n to the power of 8 is equal to, it will be 1 plus n squared times 1 minus n plus n squared minus n to the power of 5 over 1 plus n squared times n squared plus n cube minus n to the power of 5 plus n to the power of 6. So as you see, I can simplify this by this. So here we are finishing the question and we have shown that this expression may be simplified for any natural number. Here is the if you have any question, please write. for today. So the question is in this way. A, A, B, C, they are real numbers. A times B times C cannot be 0. And it's given that 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is equal to 0. We need to, if this one is 0, then it says that BC over A square plus AC over B square plus AB over C square is equal to 3. And we need to prove this one. I will take the first equation. 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is equal to 0. If I will try to factorize, equalize the denominators, get BC plus AC plus over ABC is equal to 0. Plus AB over ABC is equal to 0, and we know that ABC cannot be 0. It means that from here I can write that BC plus AC plus AB is equal to 0. One of them has to be 0. So if the denominator cannot be 0, numerator will be C is equal to minus AC minus AB. The second square plus AC over plus AB over C square. So instead of BC, I will write minus AC minus AB minus AC minus AB AC over B AB over C square. Now I will take minus AC over A square A B square plus over C square. So plus AC over B square, and this one minus AB over A square plus AB over C square. So here I have B square minus 1 over A square plus here AB times 1 over C square minus 1 over A square. This one is 1 over B minus 1 over A times 1 over B identity. And this one will be AB times 1 over C plus 1 over A. Now from the given equation, we know that I can write from here that 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to minus 1 over C. So here it will be AC times 1 over B minus 1 over A times, this one will be minus 1 over C plus AB times 1 over A times, this is minus 1 over B. Simplify here C with C, here B with B. And then I will find that this one minus 8B minus 1 over A minus A in common. So it will be minus 1 over A plus 1 over C minus 1 over A. Now if I will continue, A times 1 over C plus 1 over B minus 2 over A. From here, minus 1 over a minus 1 over a will be minus 2 over a. So this one becomes minus a times 1 over c plus 1 over b. Here, minus a by this one, it will become plus 2. 1 over c plus 1 over b, from the first equation, we know that it is 1 over minus 1 over a. So it will be minus a times minus 1 over a plus 2. These two will go, minus times minus will be plus. So it will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. And the question was to show that BC over a squared plus AC over b squared plus AB over c squared is equal to 3. And here we show that it is 3. And this is the question. If you have, you can ask me. As I will upload the videos in this channel. Tomorrow I will do from my channel. Your teachers will send the link to you. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, write please.